During the height of the COVID-19 pandemic, Cyrus Vanderico went through a mental health crisis that prompted his family to rush him to the hospital after he struggled with thoughts of self-harm.
I think it's a result of many circumstances during the pandemic po. First, it was because nag-shift to online class ang mode of learning. It was very isolating. It was a lonely experience trying to study alone. Second one is hindi naging okay ang aking mental health because my father passed away then. It took a heavy toll on my mental health because bukod sa isolating na nga po ang online classes, you're also dealing with grief. So, that time, takot pa akong mag-seek ng professional help.
Following an episode during the pandemic, he was taken to an emergency room but was sent home. This experience, he said, strengthened his passion to advocate for better mental health care in the Philippines.
Sobrang shattering experience niya sa akin kasi, okay, we understand na may pandemic, but mental health is still as important as our physical health, especially in times of extreme crisis like this na may suicidal ideation nga. And isa talaga yun sa nagtulak sa akin pabalik sa UP na sabi ko, kailangan may magbago sa sistema, kailangan mas makinig pa tayo, mas magkaroon pa tayo ng pag-unawa, ng pagbigay ng kaukulang atensyon sa mental health. And yun din talaga yung naging North Star ko, yung naging moral compass, guiding force ko dito sa pag-aaral ko sa UP na etong mental health experience ko, hindi lang to isolated experience. I know na sobrang dami pang tao sa Pilipinas na naka-experience din ng naranasan ko.
Cyrus admitted he was initially afraid to seek professional help, choosing instead to isolate and keep his struggles to himself. But his family provided a safe space for him and encouraged him to seek professional help.
Sobrang fortunate ko rin po kasi dahil sa family po namin, hindi kinahihiya yung mental health. Hindi sila something na dapat tinatago lang. Simula elementary to before college po kasi, high functioning po talaga ako. So, pero nitong college, nakita nila yung hirap, niyakap nila ako, and nag-offer talaga sila ng safe space for me na okay lang yan na, okay lang na mag-take ka ng leave of absence, okay lang na huminto ka muna for a while to build yourself back up. And ayun, inakay talaga nila ako to get the help that I need.
Because of his mental health struggles, Cyrus had to file a leave of absence twice during college.
Unfortunately, after naman po nung second half nung leave of absence ko, bumalik po sa face-to-face classes. So, doon ko mas na-discover yung purpose ko kasi I'm surrounded by people na ulit, especially since psychology is a human-oriented discipline. Talagang mahalaga nakaharap namin yung tao. It was thanks to the efforts of my family, my friends, and the whole community, especially din ng Department of Psychology. Doon ko ina-attribute yung journey ko from filing a leave of absence into springing back and becoming a summa cum laude.
5 years after being turned away from the hospital, Cyrus was among this year's graduates at the University of the Philippines Diliman, earning his Bachelor of Science in Psychology degree as a summa cum laude.
To be honest kasi, cherry on top na lang po talaga tong summa cum laude dahil I think nag-shine through talaga sa pagbalik ko sa UP is yung passion ko sa psychology. And of course, passion ko rin sa pag-aaral sa human condition kasi nag-take din po ako ng mga general education subjects na that focuses nga po dito sa pag-aaral ng tao and also paano umiral sa lipunan. So I guess it's a very holistic kind of education that UP offered to me. Noon, palagi kong ina-aim na perfect, palagi mataas. Pero my mental health experience truly humbled me. And yung pagpasok ko rin sa UP, it was a humbling experience. So the second time around, sabi ko, huwag na natin i-aim yung perfection. Ang mahalaga dito, may natututunan tayo. Yung pagkatuto kasi, hindi lang siya natatapos sa classroom eh. Yun yung second part ng pagiging UP student. Paano mo siya itatranslate sa labas ng classroom? Paano mo siya ilalapat in service of the Filipino people? Right now, I'm planning to work muna, mag-ipon po, and then hopefully next year mag-apply po for med school. I'm eyeing the UP College of Medicine. Keep holding on, pero at the same time, keep that hope, keep that fire in you alive, keep that fire burning. And I hope na gamitin mo yung fire na to to rediscover your purpose like what I did, to find what is most meaningful to you, and more than that, to find what you could contribute to the Philippines, the world as a whole.